90.1 FM, Moody Radio, where we are streaming around the world via the internet, and just love hearing from you anytime. Nancy at moody.edu, and find out about what we're doing on the air by going to thisistheday.fm. And there is something else that's coming up this weekend. As a matter of fact, it's Saturday as well. We were talking about the Sessions Conference. This is coming up also Saturday. It's the Elam Dutch Festival. Why do I want to tell you about this? Well, I've got Bob Marsh on the line. And Bob, thank you for being here. You're Vice President and Chief MC of that fest.
Yeah, thank you, Nancy.
We got to work with you as part of the Mission Backpack Program.
Yes, you did, and we are so grateful to have been recipients of 400 of those backpacks, which we distributed through Children's Hunger Fund, which you know is a wonderful ministry here in Chicago. And it was a great opportunity for Elam adults with disabilities to participate in getting those packs to kids in need.
Yeah, and that was such a rewarding ministry thing that we did on the air. You guys were a part of it. So glad. I've gone to your webpage and I've looked up Hope Packs and see the pictures of the people and the kids, and just how hopeful this whole thing is and how really rewarding it is to be a part of it. Tell us about this festival, why you're doing it, and where the money that you gained from this is going.
Well, thank you for the opportunity. Elam is a ministry that's been in Chicago for over 60 years, started in West Englewood. We now have grown to serving 275 children with all sorts of developmental disabilities from mild to severe and profound, and we also have 210 adults that we serve in day programming, and the adults are the ones that have mainly been involved in the Hope Packs program, but now the kids are too. The Dutch Festival was started by the Women's Service League of Elam 14 years ago, so this is already the 14th time that we've had this event, and the proceeds all go to benefit Elam Christian Services and the children and adults we serve.
Tell us once again what time it is, where it's at, and what hours it's going to be going on.
Right. It's this Saturday, September 26th, from 7:30 in the morning till 4 in the afternoon. I do suggest that folks get here early because all of the goodies tend to get swallowed up pretty quickly. Elam is so easy to get to. It's right at 294 and Cicero Avenue, about a mile south west of there, and located at 13020 South Central. Folks can get more information on Dutch Fest by going to www.elamcs.org, or they can call 708-293-6507. It's a wonderful event. It's extremely family-friendly. There's a pancake breakfast from 7:30 to 10 in the morning. There's live music and entertainment throughout the day. Of course, it wouldn't be Dutch Fest without wonderful Dutch ethnic food, like banket, which is a wonderful Dutch pastry, poffertjes, small pancakes, oliebollen, and, of course, all the American favorites like pizza, hot dogs, and things like that. Kids, there's a giant moonwalk, a slide, face painting, all kinds of games. There's a petting zoo, an exotic animal show. There's a lot. And there's a Dutch village that sells all kinds of ethnic items, as well as there will be a classic car show there, and there's also an authentic Dutch wooden shoe carver that is kind enough to come down from Michigan every year.
Well, today's show has been so interesting because we've been talking about dreams that can come true. And one of the ways that you can help some dreams come true is head over to Dutch Fest, because the mission is to equip kids and adults with disabilities to achieve their highest God-given potential. That's
Amen.
What we all want to do. And Bob, I hope you get a great turnout for it coming up this Saturday from 7:30 to 4 out in Palos Heights. Thanks for listening, everybody. And
Thank
hope
you,
get
Nancy.
out there. Bob, thanks for being with us. Well, earlier...